in today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you might face: some keys on your laptop keyboard not working in Windows 10. If you're struggling with this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and get those keys working again. First things first, let's check if the problem is hardware or software related. Start with the simplest solutions: restart your laptop. Sometimes a fresh boot can resolve minor issues. Just right click on the start menu, go to shutdown or start and click on restart. Wait for your laptop to reboot and see if the problem persists. Now, next, inspect your keyboard for any debris or physical obstructions. Dust, crumbs or any particles might be interfering with the keys. Make sure to turn off your laptop before cleaning. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any debris from underneath the keys. If your keys are still not working, the next step is to check your keyboard drivers. Sometimes outdated or corrupted drivers can cause issues. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard sections. Right-click on your keyboard and choose Update Driver. Now open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD and right-clicking on it and selecting Run as Administration. Then type SFC Scan Now and press Enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.